I'm sure you've heard the news. The Trezor Model T is the Swiss Army knife of crypto wallets. Click the link in the description below to snag your discount on the Trezor Model T. So, you're into crypto and you want to keep those digital coins safer than Fort Knox? Say hello to the Trezor Model T. This bad boy supports over 1,800 cryptocurrencies. Yep, you heard that right. 1,800. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, even those quirky ones like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. But wait, there's more. Got some Litecoin? Check. Cardano? Check. Polkadot and Chainlink? Double check. And if you're into the latest trends, it's got you covered with DeFi tokens and even NFTs. Why juggle multiple wallets when one can rule them all? Plus, the Trezor Model T is super user-friendly. Even your grandma could use it, if she's into crypto, of course. Ready to take your crypto game to the next level? Click the link in the description and grab your Trezor Model T now. Don't miss out on that sweet discount. Catch you on the blockchain.